Welcome everyone to my channel. This is Chinmay Parida, primary teacher of Kendriya Vidyalaya Gumla. In this video, we are going to listen the story Flying Together from Unit 2 of Class 5 Marigold, English textbook by NCERT, and also learn new words. Before listening the story, let us know about the writer of the story. Shiv Kumar adapted the story from a Panchatantra tale named A Wise Old Bird. Originally, Panchatantra is written by Pandit Vishnu Sharma and it's a collection of fables. Let us start the story. Deep in a forest stood a very tall tree. Its leafy branches spread out like strong arms. This tree was the home of a flock of wild geese. They felt safe there. One of the geese was a wise old bird. Once he noticed a small creeper at the foot of the tree. The old wise bird said, "Do you see that creeper? Let us destroy it." Other birds said, "Why must we destroy it?" "My friends, that little creeper will soon grow. As it creeps up this tree, it will become thick and strong." "What of that? What harm can a creeper do us?" The old bird said, "Don't you see? With the help of the creeper, it will be possible for someone to climb the tree. A hunter can come up and kill us." Other birds said, "Well, there is no hurry. The creeper is very small. It will be pity to destroy it now." The wise old bird said, "Destroy the creeper while it is still young. Now it's tender and you can cut it easily. Later, it will become hard and you will not be able to cut it. We will see it." They didn't destroy the creeper. They forgot the wise old bird's advice. As the creeper grew, it began winding its way up the tree. Stronger and stronger it became until it was as stronger as a thick rope. One morning, when the geese had gone out in search of food, a hunter came to the forest. Hunter said, "So, this is where the wild geese live. When they come back in the evening, I shall catch them." The hunter climbed up the tree with the help of the creeper. He got up the top and spread his net there. Then he climbed down and went away. In the evening, the geese returned home. They didn't notice the net on the tree. As they flew into the tree, they were trapped. They struggled hard to get out, but couldn't. Geese said, "Help! Help! We are caught in the hunter's net. Oh, what shall we do now?" The wise old bird said, "Don't make a fuss now. Long ago, I told you to destroy the creeper, but you didn't. Now see what has happened. Tomorrow morning the hunter will come back and kill us all. All the geese said, "We were foolish. We are very sorry. We didn't listen to you. Please tell us what to do." The wise old bird said, "Then listen carefully. When the hunter comes, you must all pretend to be dead. You just lie still. The hunter will not want dead birds. He will throw us to the ground. It will then be easy for him to climb down, collect the dead birds and take them home. When last of us has been thrown down, we must quickly get up and fly away." In the morning, the hunter came to the tree and climbed up. He looked at the geese in the net. They were all dead. He muttered to himself. He threw them out of the net one by one. The birds lay still until the last one had been thrown down. They all at once got up, flapped their wings and flew away. The hunter was taken by surprise. From the top of the tree, he watched all the geese fly away. So, this is the story named Flying Together from Panchatantra. We have learnt two morals from the story, and the morals from the story are: first one, obey the advice of your elders. Remember, always obey the advice of your elders. And the second one, do all your works on time so that you will not get into trouble in life. Now let's go to learn new words that we came across in the story. These are the new words. We will form sentences based on these new words to understand the meaning of the new words better and to know how we can use the new words in sentences. So the first new word is geese. G-E-E-S-E, geese. It's a noun and the word means, it is the plural of the word goose. Goose means a large wave-footed bird that we have mentioned in the story. The story is about the geese. When we form a sentence on the word geese, then the sentence will be: I have formed a sentence from the story geese. The geese flew away together at last in the story. The second word, creeper. C-R-E-E-P-E-R. It's also a noun and it means plant that needs support to grow, usually along a wall or a tree. The plants which cannot grow on their own, they always need support of a tree or of a wall, etc. So the sentence using the word creeper: the creeper became stronger day by day. In the story you have listened. Now the third word is winding. W-I-N-D-I-N-G. It's a verb and it means to go in circular or spiral way or spiral course. The sentence using this word: the creeper grew, winding its way up the tree. in a circular motion. Okay, now the fourth word, muttered, M-U-T-T-E-R-E-D. It's a verb. It's the past tense of the verb mutter, and it means to speak in a low tone, to speak in a low tone. The sentence using this word, the birds are all dead, the hunter muttered to himself. Now the last word, flapped, F-L-A-P-P-E-D. This is a verb and it's the past tense of the verb flap, F-L-A-P. Now it means move wings up and down like birds, move wings up and down, flap. The sentence using this word is, the birds flapped their wings and flew away. This is all about today's lesson. If you find the video useful for you, then like, comment and share this video with your friends. And if you want to watch more educational videos like this, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified in time. Thank you for watching this video.